We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and we're looking at a 2019 Indian Scout Icon Series in Ruby Metallic over White. Has the Indian head logo and a nice blue pinstripe in between that Ruby Metallic and white as well. This bike does have ABS, front and rear. Has the tan seat, and it also has the matching tan Indian motorcycle saddlebags. And it has the Freedom exhaust. Cool little USB charger. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.